Hello fellow traders, welcome to another episode. Thank you a lot for your support. In today's episode, I have to confess, we have a very sweet lady that introduces a method that can get you from 1 USD to 5,000. It's got to more than 500,000 views. The method is very simple. He uses stochastic and Keltner indicator, the channel indicator. I have analyzed both of them in this series in my channel. You can check them in my tutorial videos. Let's go to her video, to her initial video, to her channel. He uses the method. It's really simple. I really enjoy doing this video. Well, I enjoy every time that I'm doing one of this video. You can check her reactions. I leave them to your judgment. So in this video, our sweet lady claims that you can get from 1 USD to 5,000 in a couple of trades. Of course, I've said that many times. This is the reason that I have already created this series to educate people. The method is very simple. You can visit her site, but I'll try to be very short and to the point. When the stochastic indicator gets to the oversold area below the 20% and the prices hits the lower channel of the Keltner indicator, it's a buy signal. And the opposite, the sell signal, it's starting when the stochastic indicator goes to oversold and the prices hit the upper channel. Our forex lady here doesn't mention anything about time frames or any special modification you need to do with your indicators, like changing the parameters either of the stochastic, either of the Keltner indicator. She doesn't mention if it works in some particular pairs. I've said that not all the markets are the same. She doesn't give any other information. I also try to leave a comment, but it was never published. I try to explain why it doesn't work. You can also check in some of the comments because also people try to duplicate. They try to do that. Of course, it wasn't easy. It's not easy. I will give explanations on the mechanics and how the method works, and let's see what we did and how we try to use that method productively. What we did, I opened an account in this platform. To be honest, I found it very easy and very user friendly. I trade consecutively for 1 week. I wanted to give this method the best possible start. So what I did, I use this method in all the pairs that the platform is using. I start with a standard by always betting the 1 USD, since it's the bit standard on how to trade. I trade all sessions in market openings. That market was less active, more active, so this would give me a better view. Then I took a report and I check which of these pairs were the most profitable. I mean, in which of these pairs, by starting the 1 USD, had the higher probability of winning or succeeding. We did the experiment. We took totally 894 trades. Our initial account started from 1000 USD to 892.68. We have a total loss of 107.32, which is not bad in my opinion. We just lose the 10% of our account. I have to recognize that this system generates trades again and again and again. I mean, there are too many. Considering the fact that we did the experiment in 5 days. So imagine having a system that can generate so many trades. Of course, it was in the 1 minute time frame. If we change the time frames, the trades will reduce significantly. We have a winner at a ratio of 50.4%. 451 trades were winners. This is not bad, actually. I would slightly say that this is a winner strategy on base to ratio. Of course, it's not so much higher than a flip coin. I mean, this technique on the basics. If you want to check my video on the flip coin paradox, and this is the reason that I did this video, the flip coin video, to understand that we have a trader here that makes a technique by using indicators and some indicators to try and make trades, and she didn't. Not she, I mean, it's not her indicators, didn't manage to succeed. I mean, didn't manage to have a clear view on the winners. The winners were slightly higher than the losers, and I'm really talking slightly. I mean, if we took a trading system with just a flip coin that will just guess randomly if we're gonna have our short or a wrong position, I can guarantee that you would have the same results. If you put a person choosing randomly your trades, you would have exactly the same results. Trust me on that. Check my flip coin. It's very interesting how this thing works. You have to get away from this 50%. Anyway, we will go back. It is a winner strategy. I will recognize that. I have doubts. That's why we did the experiment. These are our total winners. We have a total of 451 winner. All the trades we took, I did a report. It's very easy. You can do it based on the currency. And we have the winner currency. Remember, I want to boost this as long as it can be done. I mean, I want to give the most proper treatment to this system. That's how we test all our systems, and all people that are sending me something, please keep in mind that you need a lot of time to do that, and it's not always very easy. But again, here are the results. Australian Swiss was our winning pair. Again, I doubt for the results, but these are the results. So I mean, that's why we use numbers, and it's more than our opinions. Now we will choose this pair, the Australian Swiss one, and we will put our entire effort on this pair. This is the pair that we choose. I show you how I did. I trade consecutively for 1 week. And now let's see if we can apply this method to this pair. This is a winner pair. It's got 24 winner trades. And let's see our actual results. Here is the experiment. Remember, we choose the most profitable pair from this method, from this strategy that Forex lady suggests. This is the reason that I did this demo account. The initial amount was 1,000, and I did all the tests needed to all the pairs that the platform gives us, so I was able to be sure that I would choose the most profitable pair. I mean, the pair with the biggest chances of success. I'm start trading. Every time I was using my first bet, I was using exactly the same values as she does. When there is a winner trade, I am doubling my amount. When I do not win, I keep the same amount until I'm getting a winner trade. Now, as we can see, this is just another martingale technique. I have said that in many videos. You can also check my flip coin paradox that you can see while you are trading in Forex. I was amazed from the results, to be honest, because I wasn't expecting. I did in total 19 trades. 9 of them was winners and 9 of them was losers. So I got exactly the 50%. And to be honest, I didn't expect. I really enjoyed doing this video because the fun thing is that you know that it won't work initially. Now you see that my account probably will spike up at some points. Remember, I'd start at 892 USD. Now I am at 842. The amount will drop more and more and more and significantly more. The reason is that every time you have a winner and you double your amount, you are just using a martingale technique. Now the amount is got 142. The values were almost double. They were not double. They were not double. They were multiplied by 1.88. I don't know exactly the reason for this multiplication. He started with 1, 2, 4, 7, 13, 24, 43, 78. I am at 142. As you can see, I'm already losing. I'm at 700. Remember, I start at around 900. My entire account will disappear. Of course, it's a demo account. This is the reason that I have told you many times, even though the platform is very user-friendly, at least in my opinion, you need to do several accounts and several tests when comes into this conclusion. When every time you see a new strategy or a new technique and you want to test it, always use a demo account, back test the technique. I can guarantee that if you do more than 15 or 16 tries, let's say 16 trades, I can guarantee that you will have a system that will start generating results. And in this one, I did almost 20 trades and I was able to determine the results. Of course, I lost the entire account. As you can see, now I am in 142. I am betting. She also uses these words. She says the words betting and not trade because this is another different or another concept. I don't know exactly how she determines that. You can watch some of the videos. Many people also claim that try to do the strategy. It didn't work. If you search the video and see the comments, people will start saying that okay, I tried it but it didn't work. Of course it didn't work. In a 50% chance system, I have already said that it's almost impossible to go from 1 to 5,000. And this is, even if she said, I mean, even if we did half of the bets, I mean, if we used 50 cents or 20 cents or 10 cents, the amount will start losing significantly when the values will become higher. And now at this point, I am losing 416. I'm stuck in the 142. I don't remember if I passed that point. I think I had some consecutive losses. And I never passed that point. I don't remember if I increased the value. And the most important thing that I wanted to see you and make you to understand, she also uses the Kellner indicator. Most people use a multiplier of 2. She doesn't mention anything different. She just mentions that the multiplier needs to remain in 1. It was very sweet the way she talks. I really enjoy that. I enjoy all of the videos that I saw from her. I want to be honest. She's very sweet. I really enjoyed, and I hope you also enjoyed this one. I will try to make a video every week. Of course, this is not easy. I do not have so much time. I wish I had, because I really enjoy that. Now my balance is 229. Yeah, probably this is the point that the amount disappears entirely. I think in 1 minute, maybe less. I'm not sure about the timing, but I think that this is my final bet. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think this is it, and I'll probably do one more. I hit until 448. It was my max try. And this is it. I am at 0.28 cents exactly. Here are our final results. Our starting balance 892.68 USD. We come out with a loss of 892.4. And of course it was normal. It's a martingale strategy. It will blow up your account immediately. We did after 19 trades. The remaining balance was 0.28 cents. Amazingly, I didn't expect that. Winners versus losers, we have 9 versus 9. So this system is ideally close to a flip coin system. I mean, she didn't reinvent the wheel. She's just doing based on results. I'm talking. I didn't do thousands of trades. It's just another flip coin technique. I mean, even if you put your dog to randomly choose a trade, buy or sell, probably you're gonna have the same results. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Again, thank you very much for your support, and trade safe. I hope I'll see you in the future.